Hi, I'm Raylan. I wanted to review these adorable mason jar gift bags that are for Halloween. They are absolutely perfect. There are 50 of them and they come in 5 different designs. So they come in this cute little mason jar lady who's a bit of a ghoul. They come in this black cat traditional one with the cute little bows. They come with a male ghoul with one little eye and a purple people eater. And last but not least, I think this is supposed to be Frankenstein. I just love the little smiles that are cut out of them. It looks so cute. There are 50 in total and they come with the little plastic bags right here and they will be able to stand up. They also come with this double-sided tape as well, so it's an easy adhesive. And they are food safe and a clear seal, so you know exactly what you're getting. It's a really fun DIY to do for your kids at home, or if you have like a school event that you do, or if you want a treat bag or trick-or-treat bag. They are absolutely perfect for those. They're really easy to create and really fun for the whole family. All you have to do is turn it over, and we're going to attach one of the clear bags onto the mason jar. Open up the Ziploc baggie and add your candy. I'm going to add a little crayon as well, and then just zip it back up. Take the double-sided tape and attach it to the mason jar and peel off the other side. It should look clear now. Attach the candy bag. This is what it should look like, and notice how it's not falling off at all. It's very nice double-sided tape. And this just looks so cute and adorable. And they stand up, so there is a nice little display presentation. I just absolutely love these. A 10 out of 10 recommend.